This tutorial shows how to enable online submissions and grade electronically submitted work. On the assignment screen, check Turn in Files or Links to allow online submissions for that particular assignment. Students can turn in almost any type of file. Turn in Juno Docs is automatically selected. Juno Docs are similar to Google Docs but specialized so teachers can quickly highlight, comment, and grade work. You can restrict submissions to only Juno Docs. Juno Docs are covered in a separate tutorial. If you attach a worksheet, you can select Turn in this worksheet to allow students to write on and turn in their work online. This option is available for your PDFs, images, and Juno Doc attachments. Next to the due date, you can specify what time it is due. This automatically flags any late submissions. To refuse further submissions, uncheck all turn-in options. Next, let's look at how students submit files. First, they click the assignment. They'll see this prompt if it is set up to accept files. They can upload files from their computer, Google Drive, or Dropbox account. They may turn in more than one file by clicking Turn in Another. On My Files, students can also upload files to Jupyter to turn in later, or create portfolios to store multiple files. Let's take a look at how you can view and grade submitted work. On your dashboard, a green circle means that files are still being accepted, but there are no new files to view. An asterisk means that new files have been turned in, and a check mark means you've seen all the files for that assignment. Click on an assignment to see which students have turned in work. To view and grade the files, click this icon, or go to Grades, Turn-ins rubric. These menus select the assignment and student. Optionally, you can check Anonymous and use these arrows to switch students without seeing their names. All submitted files will be listed here. Click the file to view it. PDFs, photos, and Juno Docs open directly in this window. Any other file type will download. Note the timestamp when it was turned in. This is colored if it was past the deadline. If a student says they turned in a file but you don't see it, click Find. This will locate it in case they submitted it to the wrong assignment. Click Peer Reviews to randomly exchange Juno Doc drafts among students. The peer review process for Juno Docs is covered in a separate tutorial. Here you may draw and type comments on students' work and even add digital stickers. You can rotate the image or increase the contrast. Choose a color to draw on the image. Click here to use the eraser tool. To add a text box, double-click anywhere or click the T button. Change text size here. Click the star to add a digital sticker, and click the speech bubble to open your comment palette. You can customize stickers and comment palettes on Setup, Comments. Enter the score and assignment comments here. You may also have shortcuts to click a score. You can also score using a rubric, which is covered in a separate tutorial. Optionally print the file with your feedback, or upload a file of your own to pass back to the student. Select the next student here, or use the arrows to view the next student in random order. Click Find New to look for new work submitted for any assignment in any class so you can be sure you've seen all submissions. That concludes this tutorial. Please see our help guide for additional details.